tastes like Diet Coke. A stupid woman brought me Diet Coke.
Are you guys ready to order?
I want a steak, and I want it medium rare, and
Is that it?
potato.
Okay.
And oysters.
Okay. You want grilled mahi with mashed potatoes and corn on the cob. And ma'am, this tastes like Diet Coke. I asked for sweet tea.
Yeah,
Can I get a new cup of sweet tea? That idiot missed. How do you get Diet Coke and sweet tea?
See that tattoo she got on?
Looks interesting.
Nah, she just got
Your mom asked her what it said.
Here's your sweet tea. Here are your oysters and steak and potatoes. And here are your mahi fish.
My
The
fish.
steak is burnt. How do you burn a steak?
I don't know. My fish is burnt. My fish is burnt. And this still tastes like Diet Coke. Taste that.
The whole thing is Diet Coke. She gave you a thing of Diet Coke.
I know, you gave me a whole cup of Diet Coke and I asked for sweet tea.
How's your meal so
You're
far?
crazy.
I asked for sweet tea and you gave me Diet Coke twice.
And
trying to be-
this is a brownie.
I have raisins.
Goldfish.
I have
That's
raisins.
right. You gave me a brownie.
And Diet Coke.
This is Diet Coke on the thing.
This is the same tea.
This is a brownie. I'm serious.
I'll get you
And
all
you
new
didn't even take
food.
our menus. You have problems. I'm leaving.
You people are crazy. I'll never come back to this place.
I'm bringing my own sweet tea next time.
Thank you, and watch next time.
I'm serious.
Next time I'm bringing my own sweet tea.